All right, guys, it's Sunday morning, so that means we're going to the shop to work on Katie. Oh, check out the sweatshirt that my friend made. My friend Sarah made this for me for my birthday. So we're gonna take the hour-long trek to the shop. There's a lot of new people here, and I just want you guys to know that I appreciate every single one of you. I actually really do. Oh, it's Father's Day. Happy Father's Day to everybody. I'm not a father, but if you're a father, happy Father's Day. This clock is wrong, but yeah, so on this clock says 104. We'll see what it says when I get to the shop. We are pulling up to the shop. Oh, looks like JP's already here. I didn't film anymore that day because some things came up, so now we're another week in. I was really struggling to get in and out of the truck because my right knee was hurting me super bad. During this time in the video, I did not realize that I had a torn meniscus in my right knee, causing me severe pain that I would later find out in an MRI. Just want to fill you guys in on a secret right now. I'm in a lot of pain right now. Probably look so stupid right now. I need to get gas out of this gas tank. I don't think I'll be able to get this out by myself unless I really want to hurt myself. Oh God! Oh shit! I've screwed myself. I unfortunately don't have the balance and leg strength to. Man. Ow, my fingers! Ow! Some other stuff in here. Not sure what I'm gonna do with the transmission. I might just clean this side, and then scoot it over here, and then clean that side. All right, guys, we are looking pretty. Whoa, calm down, leg. We are looking pretty rough right now. Sorry, see my leg shaking? It's my neurological thing. Anyway, I still got all this crap to deal with. Sweep that out. Oh, stop. Because of my neurological disease, I have a thing called hyperflexia and clonus. And when my legs come under extreme stress, it activates my reflexes, and then they shake and they reflex uncontrollably. It makes doing this very difficult. See, it's doing that on its own. That's the reflex. That's my... Okay, stop. Oh my god. This shit is so embarrassing. It really is, honestly. Makes me like not want to do this stuff sometimes. Alright, I gotta get down. I just want to chop these things off and just have like robot legs, to be honest. This shit's annoying.
I don't know how to respond to that.
I wasn't talking to you. Leave me alone. I'm pretty sure this is a G54. I think what's in the truck now is a G52. I don't 100% know, but if this is a G54, I really want to put this one in the truck.
Hey, just because I'm in this ditch doesn't mean I'm a bitch. Oh, that's a lot deeper than I thought.
Yeah, it's like 6 feet deep, bro.
Ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, heave! Get this. Ran you over. That wouldn't have been my fault either. It's a lot easier when I'm not in the ditch. I know what's wrong with it.
Huh.
It ain't got no gas in it. You get a nut in your eye?
I've got everything in my eye. All right, so it's another day here at the shop. I pushed the truck back to get it out of the way, and now I have to go back in and start messing with the engine more to prep it to go in the truck. Lots of little stuff that I need to do. I still need to do the clutch and the flywheel. I just realized just now I don't have a throwout bearing either, so I need to get a throwout bearing. I'll have to check it. I'm not sure. All right, guys, that's where I'm gonna have to stop for now. Unfortunately, I'm back for another work week. I don't really have that many more things that I need to do to the engine to actually get it to go in, but I do need to get a throwout bearing. I realized I didn't have one. I do have to get a few more gaskets, a couple more seals that I realized I didn't have, but I'm putting out what I have just to get a video out, so there is some kind of progress. This is gonna take longer than I had planned because running back and forth from the shop is just something that I can't do every day. But I'm trying to make any kind of progress that I can, so I'm still moving forward, and then hopefully it'll just slowly start coming together. I might have to change it to where I make a video maybe every other week. I've been trying to do one weekly, but that's a little on the harder side just because of the amount of time that I don't have. And then during the week, I might be able to take the 4Runner out for some small adventure videos since that's closer to home. We'll see how it works out. But anyway, thanks for watching, guys. I will be back with more, hopefully more progress in the next video.